guys, welcome back to Fun Channel by Victor and Annie. This is another Amazon toy review. And this package is full with Fidget toys. So let's open it.
Alright, let's do that.
Yep. So just cut from here.
I think you can read it.
Oh, okay. It's open.
Good. What do you have?
Right here.
Oh, that's a black bag. Okay, let's open the bag.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Me too.
Yay!
Oh.
Fidget toys!
Many of them.
Yeah, look at this!
Alright, let's take it out from the bag. Another bag, right?
Yeah, wait. Oh, it's open already.
Yes.
Yeah.
Put them on the table.
Yes. Oh, these are already open.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. Take them out and then we can show one by one, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. So colorful.
Yeah, I know. I am filled with joy.
I can tell.
Oh, and finger massages.
Alright.
Yeah. I'm gonna show the pea poppers first. This is the pea popper. You just squeeze them, and then the pea comes out, and it's a cute little face.
Yes, very cute.
Yeah, and the other ones also squish, but they don't have a face, see?
Right, so only the middle one, right?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Do they come out?
No, luckily. So, see? Right here.
Oh, they have something attached.
Yeah, so you don't lose them, and you can keep squishing, squish.
Oh, very good.
Yeah, and you can also use it as a keychain.
Right.
Yeah.
Let me see.
So you can
Let me
hold
try
it.
this one. So just pop like that.
Yeah, just pop it.
Oh, good.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Hello, I can see you.
Hello, I see you too.
That's keychain, right? It's just good.
Yeah, I love them. You just squeeze. It's fun to squeeze. And
It's
you
so
see their
cute.
cute little face.
Yes. All right.
Pea popper. Yep. And the next one is a poppet.
All right. Oh, this is rainbow color.
Yeah, rainbow. So you just squeeze. There. And here it is. A
Okay.
poppet.
What you can do?
You can just pop it.
Just popped it?
Yeah, it's endless bubble wrap.
Oh, just like that?
Yeah, it makes a good noise.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, it's very fun to pop.
Let me try.
Yeah, here.
Okay, we can do this side, like this.
Yeah.
Oh, I like the
Yeah.
popping sound.
Same, me too. It's very
Oh.
fun to pop and feel that good,
Oh,
lovely
so
feel.
good.
Yeah, pop, pop, pop.
All right. Okay, you can keep playing.
And it's rainbow on a lot.
Yes. Ah.
I love this so
And then
much.
when you're done, you can flip to the other side, right?
Yeah.
Ah.
And this side, I like doing it with one finger.
Very good.
And on the other side, I like doing two for extra loud.
I think this side is louder, right?
Yeah, this is the loud side. Four. Whoa.
Very good.
Yeah.
And it's like flexible, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, very good. All right. Okay,
Yeah.
next one.
Next one. Squishies.
All right. Don't cut the ball.
Yeah, don't cut it. It will break if you do. Squishies.
We have 3 colors, right? 1 pink, 2 blue.
And one green.
Very good. I like that green.
Yeah, let me try. So basically, you just squish it.
Oh,
Yeah, it's very squishy.
it's like balloon.
Yeah.
Can I try?
Yeah, you try.
You can open a new one.
Mhm.
Oh, like that.
squishy.
Oh yes, very squishy. Ah. Look at that.
Whoa.
Oh.
This is so cool.
Alright, how about the pink one?
Yeah, let's see the
pink one.
Just make sure not to cut the ball. Hey, come on.
Alright, can I do both at the same time?
Yeah.
We'll see. Oh. Feels so good.
Yeah.
Okay, you can try.
Whoa. Whoa. I love the squish. And it's glow in the dark. It might be difficult to see from the video, but it's glowing. Whoa.
Good. Oh, they stick together.
Oh yeah. Ah. Dippo.
Alright.
Whoa, these are amazing.
Yes.
Whoop.
Alright, so we have 3 already.
Yep. Pink
Right.
popper, pop it, and glow in the dark squishies.
Right. Next.
I would say next one would be smooshies.
Let's do that. 2 of them, right?
Yeah. This one is yellow, your favorite.
Yes.
Oh,
Oh.
so cute.
Let me try. Let me try.
Meow.
Oh, so soft.
Meow. I know, it's so soft.
So cute too. I like the face.
Yeah.
How about yours? Your pink one?
Yeah.
Oh. Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Very squishy.
Yeah, I know.
I think they can stretch, right? Can you stretch?
Yeah.
Oh. Don't do too hard.
You're not too hard, it'll break.
Yeah.
It's
That's
so
so cute.
cute. It's so relaxing.
Yes. Can you do both?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, look, they're holding hands. We hold our hands.
Oh. All right, let's do the next one.
Yeah. The wacky track. Wacky track.
Look like snake.
Yeah. And there. Just take it out.
Okay. How to
rocky
play with this?
You just bend it and have fun.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, and see, you can move it like this.
Oh, we can twist it.
Yeah.
Oh, all right, all right. Can I hold it?
Yeah. You can play with it.
Oh, you
Yeah.
can twist it and turning.
Yeah, try it.
Oh,
So cool, right?
good, good.
Yeah.
All right.
And also, there is another one right here.
Oh, 2 of them. Let's open both of them then.
Yeah, both of them.
Okay, we have 2 of them.
Both of them.
Yes.
Annie can have the blue one, and I can have the green one.
Yeah, they both look good.
Whoa. It's so cool. And you can connect them like this. So just push.
Oh, that's easy.
Yeah, and you can use it like a bracelet.
All right. Can you connect this one too? Maybe this one for Annie.
Yeah. Well, it's just so cool how they bend. So just put it back.
All right. Yes, yes. Put it back.
And then, there.
All right. Good job.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this one looks like a house.
House?
Yeah,
Oh,
see?
yes.
The roof
Oh, they can sit
and
like that?
space. Oh yeah!
Oh, yeah. That's good.
Yeah.
Oh, so cool.
It's so cool.
Annie would love it.
Yeah, I love playing with these.
All right.
Next
More,
one
right?
is, Next one I think will be marble mash.
What is this one?
Oh, you play with the marble.
How?
Like this, see?
Oh, just push it up and down. Can you
Yeah.
try one? Maybe the yellow one. My favorite. Oh, like that. Oh.
Yeah.
just squish them, pull them back and forth.
Yeah.
Oh,
And you can feel the marble a little bit.
yes, right? That, right.
Wee, woo, whoosh, whoosh,
Okay.
whoosh.
Look very good.
Yeah.
So the marble is inside, right?
Mm-hmm.
You push it up and down, left to right.
Oh yeah, look.
Oh, you can squeeze, can stretch too?
Yeah. You can stretch it like
Oh.
this. And then the marble can move.
Didn't know that.
Me neither. It's just so cool.
Like this?
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I love marble.
Can you stretch?
mesh.
Can you stretch with me?
Yeah.
Not much, right?
Yeah, not much.
But then it can squeeze like this.
Yeah.
Very good.
Wow.
How many we have? We have blue, we have yellow.
And we have pink.
Okay, good, good. Very good. Alright, next one.
Mm-hmm.
This one, what do like noodle?
Ooh, they're monkey noodles.
Monkey noodle?
Yeah.
Oh, we
Oh.
have green too.
Oh yeah, and a green marble and mash.
Alright. Alright, let's put over here.
Monkey noodles.
Yeah.
Whoa.
So colorful.
These are monkey noodles.
I'm sure they're very stretchy.
Oh, the texture is awesome.
Oh,
Yeah.
I like the texture.
Whoa. Oh, look, you can stretch them. Wow. Oh.
Very good.
Oh.
Can you do one? Can you do one end?
Yeah.
We stretch together.
Wee.
Oh.
Wow.
That's cool. All
Yeah.
right. And we have 4 of them, right?
Yeah. Blue,
Pink, blue, green,
green,
and
yellow.
yellow. Very good.
Wow.
I love this set because there's so many fidget toy and then they have different colors,
Yeah.
right? So
I
good.
love these.
Okay, we have 2 more, right?
Yeah.
What are those?
This is bicycle chain.
Bicycle chain?
Yeah.
How to play with it?
You like move it like this. Like kind of like this.
It's like a puzzle?
Yeah, kind of.
Oh.
I'm not that.
Metal, right?
Yeah.
Can you see them?
Yeah.
Alright.
Like twist them in something.
Oh, I see, I see. Oh, okay. I think maybe you have to find a way to solve it or something like that.
Yeah, I think so.
But it's good. It looks good. Look very legit and very good.
Yeah. Just turn
Alright.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, last one.
And
What is this
finger
one?
massages. You just
Finger
put them on your
massages?
finger. Yeah. It's so fun playing with them.
Oh, it's so sparkling.
And it feels good. You try.
Put here.
Yeah.
Oh, it feels kind of funny.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Oh,
Super fun. Just
I like this one too.
yeah, it's a funny feeling.
This one different than the other one because the other one is either colorful, stretchy, or poppy. This one is metal. I don't know. It's have very good touching
metal
feeling.
and very sparkly.
Yes. Let me
It's
see
like
on
a
your finger.
ring.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello. And we have 3 of them, right? We have one over there too.
Yeah.
All right. Wow. That's a good set of fidget toy, right?
I know, it's so great.
Which one your favorite?
It's between the monkey noodle, pop it, and marble and mash.
Pick one.
I would say marble and mash.
Why you like this one?
Because it's marble, you can stretch. Whoa.
Ah,
It's
I
very
thought you
bendy.
would like this one. I like this one.
That was my second favorite.
Right?
And monkey noodle will be my third favorite.
Right?
Yeah.
Pop, 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 pop.
10 out of 10, 10.5 out of 10, and 9.9.
For the monkey noodle?
Yeah. Like, even with one, it's very stretchy
Oh, alright.
and very rubbery.
Yes, yes. And this one is good too.
Yeah.
See? See?
Yeah, it's so fun to play with.
Yeah. Keep squishing. Alright.
So that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell so you never miss another video. Bye-bye.
Bye everyone.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep playing with my fidgets.
Hope you like these fidget toys, right?
Yeah, and I know I love it.
I know, you like it.
Yeah, wacky track.
Matte color of your shirt, see?
Oh yeah, green.
Yes.
Yeah, this is just so fun to play with.
Yes. The pea is cool too.
Yeah, the pea puppet.
Hello. This can be my keychain.
Oh yeah.
So cool. Yeah. Bye everyone.
Bye-bye.
See you next video.
Yep, see you next video.
Don't forget to subscribe. We have so many videos, right?
Yep, subscribe, hit that bell. Yep, for fun and entertaining videos.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Yeah,
Okay, good.
I'm gonna play with Puppet.
Yeah. Popping, popping.
Now Puppet. Puppet, Puppet.
Like this one.
And now for the left side.
Yeah, this one's louder.
Yeah. Oh, bye-bye.